this is Julia, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you makeup, hair and outfit, and this is girly look, so let's go. So first I apply a little bit of concealer to my eyelids, under my eyes, to my nose, to my chin. Then I apply eyebrow shadows to my eyebrows. I take pink eyeshadows and apply them as a blush to my cheeks. And then I apply these pink eyeshadows to my crease. I wanted to say eyelids. I take shimmer eyeshadows and apply that to my eyelids. And I take another bright eyeshadows and also apply them to my eyelids. I apply colored lip balm to my lips. I apply mascara to my eyelashes. For my hairstyle, I take a headband and just wear it. For my outfit, I wear pink dress. So, thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up for this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see ya in the next video. Bye!